Okay, we'll continue the exercise here um, to create the schedule. The schedule is actually the function where you can schedule your job when to perform it according to the date and time that you select. Okay, go to the open the job that we have done before. Okay, that we created already. This backup and snapshot record, and go to the schedule. So in the schedule, we create a new schedule here. Create new schedule and start by giving the schedule name. Huh? So what is the schedule name? Equal to the exercise. We name the schedule so for backup and snapshot from job. Huh? This one. Okay, this name backup and okay, we named backup and dream home. Right? And what is the schedule type? Schedule type can be recurring, or can start automatically when SQL Server is start, or can when the CPU is idle, or on a one-time schedule, or we can choose. So in this exercise, we will choose the recurring schedule. This the recurring. So we choose the recurring schedule here and enable it. And then in one time we have to specify the date and the okay. How about the frequency? Frequency. I mean, how many times, how frequent you perform your backup or your job. I mean, in terms of the job is referred to the backup. Right? So according to the schedule, how frequent, right? You have to define the frequency, right? So in this case, we have to choose daily, and we will do the backup at this time. This at 4 a.m. I mean, this is morning, right? So to do the backup frequently at the 4 a.m. So how to do that? Okay, go to the schedule, change to daily, and then recur every 1 day. Okay, every 1 day, and then the daily frequency is uh, once at 4 o'clock morning, right? 4 o'clock in the morning, and then if you choose the occur every hours, that we can choose uh, every 1 hours or 2 hours, and then we have to define the starting time and the ending time here, right? So start date, let's say start date today 23rd for 20, and then there's no end date, right? So this is actually our schedule, right? Okay, maybe in order to test to see whether it's working or not, maybe 4 a.m. is not. Well, I will choose what time now? It's 1:06. Maybe I choose 1:30. 1:30 or 1:15 at p.m. Okay. So if we run, maybe we can see the result after this, right? And then finish it, you click OK. Now you have already the schedule called backup and snapshot. Okay, and then you click OK. And in order to perform this, you have to, in order to perform the alert, you need to run it again. Huh? Run it again here. And then start. Okay, so the schedule will alert you. I mean, the schedule will perform backup for dream home, backup and also snapshot at 1:15. So we have done this. So we see how it's working or not. Okay, the next exercise. Okay, if you can do the schedule, so you can also do the alert. Right? Alert means that you can give a notification to the admin. So what happened to the particular task that you have done, right? So before we can do alert, right? It's a alert. Before we can create alert, so we will create the operator. Operator is actually who the person or the admin who actually can get the notification, right, from the alert system. So we create the operator. So operator is here. Go to the operator function and then right click. Okay, before you right click, you can see that I have already one operator here. I want to create a new operator. So this new operator called Fred Bunny. I'll call this called Fred Bunny. So we create the Fred Bunny here. Operator. Okay, the name is Fred Bunny, and there are three kind of notification that you can choose here. For the SQL Server 14, right? There are you only can send the notification to email, NetSend, and Pager. Actually, Pager is no longer uh, provided by the system. So the what we can do is only using the email or NetSend. NetSend is actually a Microsoft network. Yeah? So maybe you are not really using the Microsoft unless if you are in the Microsoft network environment, right? So I think the possible we can use is actually the email. Right? At this moment, there's no other kind of notification allowed in the SQL Server, right? Okay, can we check? Can setting the email, right? Say we use this email. It's a dummy email for the Red Bunny. Just put the email here. All right. Let's say it is a Red Bunny email. Okay, for the operator, we just do we just create the the notification, but it's not easy to to perform the actual function because of the limitation of our SQL Server system, right? So in order to perform this, you have to make sure that your SQL Server support implementation of the email. So we don't have that kind of function in our SQL Server because in order to do that, you have to know how to set the email system in the SQL Server. So it is not part of our exercise in this lab. Yeah? Okay, just do how you can create the notification, the operator, in order to perform the notification later, right? Okay, this is actually the operator, and you can go to notification. So notification is viewed by the alert, where alert is actually you can get the notification whether through alert or job. But this one we just using the alert. So the alert is actually where the system will get notification will transfer notification to the operator here, right? So this actually the alert is I already created, but I show you how to create the alert later, right? So now you have already the operator, right? So you go to the operator, you can see the Fred Bunny there, right? So if you want to change anything, you can click here and see the information of the Bunny. Actually, there's only two things: the name of the operator and the email address. That's all. Okay. Okay, you finish this one, so we try, after this we go how to create alert, right? Now we create alert. What is alert? As I said before, alert is used to give a notification to the operator, right? So alert is actually when anything happen in our system or our database table according to the what? According to the message of alert, they will give you notification to you. So the notification will be sent to the operator, right? So how to create alert? We go to the alert, right? So I got already the alert refer to the problem at the staff table, right? So we get and create new alert. Okay, okay, we create a staff table problem. The alert according to the staff table problem. So go to the staff table and then this staff table problem, and then select the database stream home. The type is SQL Server alert. There are three type of alert here, whether SQL Server performance, or WMI event alert. So in our case, we use this SQL Server event alert. Yeah. So and then choose the database. Database is DreamHole. We are working with DreamHole now. And then alert will raise based on what? So I mean the alert will occur, will detect according to what? According to the error number, or according to the severity of the problem. So in this case, we use the severity level. So you know the severity, you check the table of severity level. So there are number severity level from 1001 until 05. Well, actually determine the type of severity, right? So we choose 001 is very mild problem happen in our database system. It will give you alert, right? It's only notification status, right? So if you choose, for example, like you choose the 09019, for example, is fatal error in resource. So which is happen is fatal error in database. So we will give the notification, right? So we're using this first in order to test whether to use in this alert, right? Okay, click and then okay, we check this raise alert message. I mean when the the severity is detected. So I mean we have to produce the message to the what, to the operator, no? So the operator can see what actually the message text, right? So we can write the message here. We, we can write the message here, and then we notify the operator what actually the message can be anything that you want to highlight. Yeah, for example, right? Okay, we can write anything here. There are error message. Okay, happen. So you can you can have it here, and okay, and then there's nothing that you can need to do in the response and also in the option, right? So the error will go to the operator through the email, right? So you go to the option here, include alert message, error, go to email. So you have to click the email here, right? And then if you need to put more extra information, you can write here, right? Bingley, okay.